Hello everyone, welcome to our commercial lot here at Westgate in Raleigh, where we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful 2026 Promaster 2500 high roof 159 wheelbase. One of the other great things about these new Promasters is the sheer amount of safety features, whether it's with the optional convenience group giving you adaptive cruise control or just the standard active brake assist, lane keep assist, as well as the optional blind spot monitoring. On top of that, you have this beautiful 7-inch display here with wireless CarPlay. So there's no faffing around with plugging in cables and unplugging your phone when you get to a job site. You can just get in and drive. So not only is it super easy and convenient, has all those safety features, it's powerful. You can carry anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 pounds in payload depending on your configuration. And on top of that, Ram and us believe in this vehicle so much. It has a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty because, let's face it, if it's in the shop, it's costing you money, not making you money. And you're a small business, you want to be making money. One of the other amazing things about Promasters as a product is their sheer versatility. Whether you go with one this size, which is the 159 high roof, or one as small as the 118 wheelbase low roof with 8 feet of cargo space, you can even go all the way up to a 13-footer with the 159 extended. We have any and all configurations that will fit your needs and get you on the road making money. Because let's be honest, I like making money too. Pretty sure you do too. Now, another awesome feature about these Promasters is the ease of access. So you have sliding door here, the rear cargo doors, which can fold all the way to the side without having to do any latching, as well as this pass-through here. So getting access to your tools, your equipment, or your cargo is quick, easy, and saves you time on the job site. With the optional convenience package, we have here the LED lighting pack here in the back, making it easy to see all your cargo, but not everyone uses these for cargo. One of the nice things about these, if you see here, all of these mounting points makes it easy to put in any kind of shelving or equipment that you might need for your business. Or even something simple like a mobile office for someone doing realty or even mobile phone repair or locksmithing. Promasters can do it all.